Hey everyone, Chris again, your friendly neighborhood dealer, Acevacuums in Leesburg, Virginia. Today I'm going to do a video. I haven't done one in a while. It's one of our how-to videos. So today we're going to look at an Oreck XL. Customer brought this in. The roller wasn't spinning. So after diagnosing it, we realized that the belt was bad. So what we're going to do is show you guys how to replace this belt. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just turn this bad boy on its back just like this. That way you can see. It's a little hard to see here in the camera, but you have little holes here, 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 and here. Those are for the screws. You just go ahead and take our screw gun here. We're going to drill these out. Now what that's going to do is allow you to pop this top here. Go ahead and remove that to the side. And as you can see inside here, you got your belt. It's completely snapped and broken in half. And then you have the rest of the inside of the container, the roller and everything like this. Now this is a pretty old roller, so we would suggest to have the customer replace this. But we're just going to go ahead and clean it and put a service. So just for the video purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and replace the roller. But we probably will end up recommending the customer to replace that. So what you're going to do is take your new belt here, okay? And I'll show you guys right down in here. All right, if you can see this little spindle right there is where the belt's going to hook to. And then you're going to hook the other part of the belt to here. So what I do is I go ahead and hook it down here first. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then I'm going to pop that roller out. Hook the roller on the end of that cap there, just like so. It's going to be a little hard to push it on there, so make sure you give it a little tug. And then that's just going to pop down right in there. And then that roller, you'll see it spin nice and clean and misspin that roller. Alrighty. And then when you're done, just make sure you line everything back up. Wait till you hear it snap. Lock your screws back in. And just like that, you're all done. And that's how quick and fast it is and easy it is to change the roller on an Oreck. And most of them are all exactly the same. All the Orecks, from the XLs to the magnesiums, basically they're all identically the same. You just remove that bottom lid there and it gives you access to the roller and everything like that. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Call us at 703-997-9292 to learn how to change the rollers, or if you have other questions about your machine. Thank you guys and have a great day.